Hey guys, you're watching Cutie Crafts. Long time no see. I hope you've been enjoying the nice spring weather. I've been spending a lot of time outside, smelling my flowers and admiring the nature around me. It's also dandelion season, so I've been trying to take care of those in my backyard. In today's video, we're going to need to dig up some of the flowers in our Minecraft world because we will be finding them a new place to grow. Specifically, I would like to populate these empty Minecraft pots that have been sitting in the corner of my base for a long time. Flower pots add such a nice touch to any base, and they're pretty easy to make. You just need some clay balls to be fired up in the furnace so you get some bricks. And then you go over to the crafting table with 3 of your bricks to make a little flower pot. Now that you know how to make one in the game, let's learn how to make one in real life using fuse beads. Here are the templates that I created to make your own Minecraft flower pot. You can pause the video right here to copy it down. I used a mix of rust-colored Perler and art cow beads for the outside of the pot, and then for the dirt inside, I used some tan, sand, and light brown Perler beads. Now to iron the beads, I have my parchment paper on top and my iron set on a medium heat setting. It took me just over a minute or so to fully iron one side. If you see that the beads are melting almost instantly, then your iron might be a little too hot. You should still be able to see the holes in each bead and the sides are all melted together. Then we do a little flip and iron the other side exactly the same way as we did the first side. With both sides fused, we can place a heavy book on top to keep everything flat. Peeling time! Now it's time to assemble. You can follow along or try to figure it out yourself. It's pretty easy. And there we go. This is a really easy Minecraft flower pot that you just made. What do you think I should put in it? There are so many varieties of plants that you can grow in a flower pot, and some of these I've never even discovered before in my world. Let's just make all of them.
I must have them all!
So many choices, it's so hard to pick. And just so you know, we are making the 2D versions that you can see in creative mode in the natural blocks section. These are some of the flowers that fit in a flower pot. And I decided to go with the new cherry sapling that is coming out in the update because it just looks so nice and I love the pink colors. They're all pretty cool, really, so you'll be seeing some more of these in my other versions. I'm super excited for the new Tales and Trails update in Minecraft because there's gonna be a new cherry blossom biome where there are cherry trees, you can get pink wood, and you can get this little cherry blossom sapling that you can put in a pot and then decorate it in your home. It's gonna look so cute, and I am just so excited to create my new world. Now since some of the petals in this cherry blossom sapling are not touching the other beads, I'm going to use the masking tape method so that we can move them a bit closer before ironing. I highly recommend using the masking tape method if you're not really familiar with ironing Perler beads yet. It really helps keep the beads stuck in one place so that they don't move when you're ironing. And same thing as before, you want to make sure all of the beads still have their hole, and this time when you flip it over, just remember to take off all the tape. There are so many different flowers to choose from in Minecraft, and I decided to make an extra corn flower and this beautiful red poppy. You just want to make sure that at the bottom of each of your flower there are at least 2 beads so that you can slide it into the hole that's in the pot. Now I'm adding these flowers into their pot, finally planting them and giving them a new home. I think they add a nice little bit of color in this dark cave that I first started my world in and never updated. It would be nice if I could change the colors of the pots to customize it a bit more. They're just this terracotta brown, but that doesn't mean you can't customize the colors of your bead pot. Now that we've created our beautiful Minecraft pots and some flowers, it is time to plant them into their new home. The way I am internally screaming just looking at this. So what if you wake up one day, look at your pots, and say, wow, I hate it. Well, it's a good thing in Minecraft when you destroy a pot with its flower in it, it just comes apart in 2 pieces so that you can reuse the pots and just plant whatever else you want to plant. We can do the same thing with our bead flower pot. Just pull it out of the slot, pick a new flower, and switch it up. The combinations and customizations with these flower pots are endless, and I can't wait to see what you guys create. I'm sure some of you have seen my short where I made these mini flower pots that can fit on a windowsill, and yes, it's exactly the same as the mini bead version, the same template. I just used a 2.6mm bead, and these are Art Cow mini beads. Links for supplies are always in my description, and you can use code CutieCrafts for a discount on Art Cow's website. With mini beads, I like to use some office tape instead of masking tape because it's a lot less sticky and can peel off pretty easily without moving any of the tiny beads. And again, with ironing, I'm using parchment paper for this, and this time my iron is set on the lowest possible heat setting because mini beads do melt a lot quicker since they're so small. Always make sure to see that the beads are bolded through the paper. That's how you know they're fused together. And now let's listen to some mini clicks. Personally, anything that's made with mini beads is just way cuter. I love tiny things, and I made so many different flowers. Here I have a blue orchid. You can choose whatever you like. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this little Minecraft flower pot and the little flowers that go inside. I've really been spending a lot of time outside growing flowers, preparing my vegetables, touching grass. I've been overseeding my lawn and my grass has been growing really well. Just look at them, they are thriving. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do recreate any of these projects that I make and put on my YouTube channel, I would love it if you could tag me at CutieCrafts so I can see your recreations. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're new, and I will see you guys next time with another CutieCraft. Bye!